Lovely morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our beautiful expression of today is comes in handy. يعني يكون مفيد أو يكون نافع بمناسبة أو مكان أو ظرف معين. Comes in handy or come in handy يعتمد على طريقة الاستخدام والنص والفاعل سواء مفرد أو جمع. خلينا نشوف هذه الأمثلة البسيطة على هذا النوع.
Whichever one comes in handy at the time.
Now the good old baby wipe comes in handy.
This is where it really comes in handy.
You can't work your normal jobs, so it really comes in handy then. And it's that
a feature that comes in handy when you're trying to duck authority.
Indeed, a ball winder in Swift comes in handy so you don't have to use the back of a chair.
And this is where an awareness of the world comes in handy.
Which comes in handy, so then they don't buy another chicken.
It's too tight, so that's where the elastic comes in handy.